me Shobu and welcome to my channel. So Valentine Day is around the corner and I know most of the people are searching for gift ideas, and yeah, so that's why today I'm come up with this super easy and cute DIY gift idea. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. The first thing you will need a yellow chart paper and also a white paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this white paper on the yellow chart paper like so. So all the measurement I will write it down in the description box, so please go check it out. After that it will look like this. So I wanted to add a little bit contrast in it, so that's why I add this white paper. And also we will need 26 cards because today we are going to make A to Z reasons why I love you. So we have 26 alphabets, so that's why we need 26 cards. So now I'm going to make this cover page. So for that I stick this heart sticker and outline the heart. And what I write is what I love about you, A to Z. So A stands for you are adorable. Now I'm going to outline the card like so and make this little heart and color it with this orange color pen. And highlight the adorable word. So for the B, I chose Be My Queen and make this crown. So now again I'm going to highlight the edge. Okay, so all the cards I made it पहले से. And in case आपको सारे messages देखने हो, then I will write it down in the description box. And also I changed the cover page because मेरे doggy ने वो खा लिया पेज and अभी वो ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है, so that's why I have to make this one. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cover page and I'm going to punch it and make a hole in it. So ऐसे ही मैं सारे cards में hole कर दूंगी punch करके. After that I will take this ring and उसके बाद मैं सारे कार्ड्स को उसके अंदर डाल के एक जगह लॉक कर लूँगी. Okay, after that it will look like this. I personally love this idea. I don't know why, but I feel this is the very cute and unique idea to express your love. And I'm sure that your loved ones will like this a lot because it shows your effort that you put in. And now what I'm going to do is this, I tied this ribbon in the ring so that it will look more organized and cute. So yeah, it's ready. For today's video, I really hope you like this idea, and if you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any suggestion for me, you can simply write it down on the comment section and you can directly DM me on Instagram. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye.